What if I told you Toyota just made the Highlander smarter, quieter, and more efficient without losing its family SUV DNA? This is the 2027 Toyota Highlander Hybrid. New look, upgraded tech, better efficiency, and yes, this could be Toyota's most balanced hybrid SUV yet. Let's break down the design, interior, engine rumors, pricing, and who this thing is coming after. From the front, the 2027 Highlander Hybrid looks more premium and more confident than before. The fascia is clean and wide, with a slim LED light signature stretching across the front, giving it a more modern, almost EV-inspired face. The grille is lower and smoother, clearly optimized for aerodynamics and efficiency, not aggression. From the side, the proportions stay familiar, but tighter. The body lines are cleaner, the wheels look larger, and the stance feels more planted. And around the back, a full-width LED taillight bar, bold Toyota lettering, and a minimal upscale finish that feels closer to Lexus than ever before. This is not a radical redesign. This is Toyota refining what already sells extremely well. Step inside, and this is where the 2027 model really levels up. The dashboard is horizontal and clean, dominated by a large floating infotainment screen with a fully digital instrument cluster behind the steering wheel. Materials feel softer, ambient lighting is subtle, and everything is designed for comfort, not distraction. Second row, spacious, flat floor, great legroom, perfect for families or long highway trips. Third row, still usable for adults on shorter drives, which is exactly what Highlander buyers expect. Toyota clearly focused on quietness, visibility, and ease of use, not gimmicks. Now let's talk powertrain rumors. The 2027 Toyota Highlander Hybrid is expected to use an updated 2.5-liter four-cylinder hybrid system paired with electric motors and an eCVT. Estimated output, 240 to 250 horsepower. Drivetrain options, front-wheel drive, electronic all-wheel drive, AWWI. Fuel efficiency, this is where it shines. Expected combined MPG, 36 to 38 MPG combined. Translation, you get SUV space, all-wheel drive confidence, and near sedan fuel economy. That's peak Toyota logic. Let's talk money. Expected US pricing, base hybrid around $41,000, mid-trims $45,000 to $48,000, fully loaded hybrid AWW up to $52,000. Not cheap, but very competitive for a three-row hybrid SUV with Toyota reliability.
The 2027 Highlander Hybrid is clearly targeting Honda Pilot Hybrid, Future, Kia Sorento Hybrid, Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid, Ford Explorer Hybrid. And honestly, Toyota's hybrid reputation alone gives it a massive advantage here. This is for buyers who want space for family, excellent fuel economy, strong resale value, no drama ownership, modern tech without complexity. This is not a flashy SUV. This is a smart SUV. So that's the rumored first look at the 2027 Toyota Highlander Hybrid. Clean design, upgraded interior, proven hybrid tech, and zero unnecessary risks. If you're shopping for a three-row SUV in the next few years, this one should absolutely be on your radar. Would you take this over a turbo gas SUV? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more future car leaks and rumors.